Okay, my first name is Weston, W-E-S-T-O-N. Last name is Rowan, R-O-W-A-N. The old roof had storm damage to it. And like you say, we're in the process of selling the house, and they wanted that roof fixed. Mostly hail damage and all that, dents and metal objects and that. And then Toby, with his magic blue light, found the problems on the roof itself. I think they're the greatest thing going, the public adjusters. Like I say, I was in time of sorrow because of the passing of my father, and Toby said he'd take care of everything for me, and what he told me he did, and I'm very, very happy and satisfied with the work. No, I did not. He handled everything. I just had to give Toby the related policy numbers and different items like that for identification purposes. If you need work to be done and you don't want the headaches fighting with the insurance companies, I suggest you strongly, very strongly, get a claims adjuster or public adjuster and all that. It's well worth your time.